White Birch hiking trail. Trail length 2.2 kilometers. The short loop is 1.3 kilometers. We're going to let Cassie loose here. Her barrel barrel will be more effective. Got another air horn here. I'm not going to ring it though. But plus we each have bear spray. This is bear country, so you have to be prepared anywhere. There's the river. He said it's pretty low, and you can see a tree falling over there already. So you wouldn't get very far with a canoe here unless you keep carrying it over those.
Can I get through there?
You'd have to carry it over.
Oh, got it.
Very warm day. We don't think anyone's on this trail today. Usually when we've come here before, I don't think we've ever seen anyone on these trails, have we?
No, never.
It's only us.
I don't remember.
Don't know why, it's really nice. I've seen a couple cars parked though, when we haven't done it, so there are some people taking the trail now and then.
Hey, bear!
In a little while, I'm going to toot that horn.
Oh, that's my spot? That is my spot.
Kulika usually goes swimming here. A lot of rustling of the trees with the wind. And you hear cracking and stuff.
I think I must have stumbled over a hornet nest or something, because I got bitten in 3 places at the same time. Really painful. Hey, bear!
Ooh, look, we got the bear spray.
we heard some rumbling in the bushes, so we got scared. It's kind of windy too, so we just hope it was wind.
Nice hike though. It's windy, but now we're in the trees, we're sheltered, and a little better here. There's the Flotten River.
Hey, bear!
I'm gonna give the horn a toot. Okay?
Hey, bear!
Just clearing the way.
Blueberries.
It's one of a bear's favorite snacks. Blueberries.
There's lots of blueberries ripe already then. And that pine tree forest.
Yeah.
By the lake there, we'll go and take some more from there. Blueberries.
Yeah, the owner of the resort said there's a lot of berries around this year. So that means there's a lot of food for the bears. They love berries. So when it's like that, he said they tend to stay where the food is and they're eating, and they're not really coming into campsites because there's enough to snack on. But still, you got to be aware, they can be anywhere. There's a lot of people out there we watch. They go on overnight hikes and they go long distances. And they run across bears and they're going in their travels. But it doesn't stop them. They keep going and they camp overnight. And they really love it. Ooh, look, I found a perch for Peach.
That'll make a nice little perch for Peach.
Our pet crow back home. We have a pet crow at home named Peach. Cassie wants Peach's perch. Try to say that 100 times. Peach's perch.
Okay,
Cassie, well, you can have it for now. But that's a Peach's souvenir. Yeah, there's blueberries everywhere here. So some furry creature was crawling through here. He'd be munching. Kulika's munching on them herself. Blueberry pancakes. Those are good too.
Well, blueberries taste so good. Much better than the ones you buy from the store.
Yeah.
Okay.
We did some hiking in the mountains, Rocky Mountains, Banff National Park, and Crow's Nest Pass, Alberta. Check those movies out. I'll put a link below this, and you can check out those hiking movies. Now we're in northern Saskatchewan. And there's many places to go. When you get in the northern part of Saskatchewan, it's all wilderness. A lot of hunters come from the States in the fall and they hunt here. And they come a long way to go to these hunting camps. Because they say it's some of the best in the world. A little hole there.
Burrow. Guess it's checking out. That's somebody's dwelling.
Says we are here. We started the trailhead A. It says we're at the sea. We're going to loop around now. The marsh is over here. Right here is the marsh somewhere.
Oh.
So keep going. I took the bell. Cassie's not ringing it good enough. Kulica's playing bear. All these blueberries.
Blueberry Hills.
I watched Roger Lamb's hike with a couple friends he met up with from YouTube, and they went hiking in the Smoky Mountains, and they did a long overnight hike, and one of the buddies was playing harmonica on the trail. I thought that was really good. He just kept making noise, doing little tunes, entertaining them while they're on their hike, and make some noise. Ooh, he's got a whistle. I wish I could play the harmonica. If I was playing it, it'd be terrible. Of course, I don't have to film that. When I'm not filming, just play it and you wouldn't hear my rotten playing. Ooh, look, a steady picking blueberries. I'm getting nothing. I'm the photographer and the bell ringer.
Wait, I'll pick for you.
There's your bell. Starting to rain a little heavier.
It's very warm though.
There you go, have some berries. Mmm. Good. I'm like Santa Claus. Ho ho ho!
Here, have those.
You got it. Pick me some more. Cassie. Cassie. I was trying to get a thumbnail of Cassie eating looking at the blueberries and I get a picture. It didn't work. Some different looking berries there.
I have no idea what these are. I won't eat them.
I'm not shaking it really. Every time I step, it's ringing now. Coming to that boardwalk, Marsh area.
This is souvenirs in my language. I don't know what they call it in English. It has a specific scent. Gives you a headache if you sniff it too much.
Like a solvent?
No, it has some kind of narcotic property in it.
I can smell it. Yeah. Smells like
smell.
paint. Yeah. It smells like a paint. Something.
That's souvenirs in Estonian.
There's a little lake there. It looks like a crater, like it's totally circular. Maybe a crater meteor did go there one time, who knows? Came from there.
It's a kind of spongy here. You can see water coming out from between my toes. Yeah, you can see water coming out from between my toes.
Yeah.
Feels so nice.
Spongy walk.
Yeah. Take shoes off, it feels so nice to walk. So Cassie and I are continuing our little swamp walk here. She has no problem walking on this ground here. So it's really spongy. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna make it very much further here. It is some kind of trail here going, but I think it's some wildlife trail. Animals are going this way to that little pond over there to drink, I guess. Dennis decided to keep her feet dry, so he decided to stay over there and wait to see how far I will make it. And Cass is running between us back and forth. She's trying to herd us back together. So I'm gonna continue for a little while yet. Wow, my feet are just really sinking in. It's getting really wet here. It's just sinking in. Really sinking in now. I don't think I should continue on. Yeah, I'm heading back where Dennis and Cassie are standing there. It's much firmer surface there. Yeah, I don't want to sink in here and be stuck in the swamp.
We're leaving that marshy area now. Go back and finish off the trail. There's a huge patch of blueberries here.
We should come back here to pick them more.
Lots of them.
Cassie doesn't seem to be interested. She's eating grass instead.
It's a nice trail. We had rain and sun and wind and blueberries. Really nice. So that was the White Birch hiking trail near the Flotten River and Flotten Lake in Meadow Lake Provincial Park. So I hope you enjoyed this hike. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe.